Get grants for your disability-owned business. Check out Grants for Disabled Entrepreneurs. Grants don't need to be repaid. The federal government offers grants for disabled persons for starting a business. See www.grants.gov. Also try the National Arts and Disability Center if you're an artist with disabilities needing money to promote your creative work. See www.semel.ucla.edu/NADC/grants. Corporate grants are another option. And be sure to check the SBA grants list. See www.sba.gov/fundingprograms/grants. And search the Department of Health and Human Services for private foundations and organizations. Many such foundations and organizations fund grants for disabled business owners. See www.hhs.gov/grants/index.html. Get grants for your disability-owned business.